In today's lesson, we're still going to be focusing on chemical nomenclature for ionic compounds, but this time we're looking at ternary ionic compounds. Ternary just means that they have more than 2 elements total, and what that really means is that they include a polyatomic ion. We're still going to have our cations first, so the positive metals or the positive cation ammonium will always be first. And we'll still have our anion second, so any of these other polyatomic ions or any nonmetal will be second. It's just we'll have a total of 3 capital letters now instead of just 2. So when you're looking at your polyatomic ions, these elements up here that are grouped together with a charge, you're really just going to consider them a single type of ion and still follow all of the rules that you learned yesterday. The biggest differences to keep an eye out for is the fact that we're not ever going to change the name or the actual subscripts that are already associated with the polyatomic ions. Instead, we could put these polyatomic ions in parentheses and put another subscript on the outside, and we're going to use the mostly TE endings, although there are a couple of other options in there that are already associated with them on the top of your periodic table. You will not have to memorize these polyatomic ions. They'll be provided for you still on your periodic table. You just need to be able to identify when they're being used and how to use them in formulas.